Yo guys, welcome back to another trading recap. So today we made two trades and we got stopped out on both. Let's go. So we made two trades, got stopped out on both. Um this was the other trade. I don't know why it's not marked out. Something like this. So let's just go over this first one. And I think so I think the reason I lost today is because I was too tunnel vision because first of all, I had to go to the dentist, so I could not focus at all. I just should not have traded AM session today at least. So I couldn't really focus at all since I was at the dentist, so that should be a sign like don't trade AM. But we had bearish news and I was also in puts on my live account. So I think I was just too tunnel vision to even like consider longs at all. And I think that was my problem. But we did exit in profit with the options because I did expect it to start reversing. I exited like here or something. I think like here. But yeah, so I think I was just too tunnel visioned to consider longs at all. Cause I mean I still think we will, but I thought we would come down here today, all the way down here, or just start heading down there, but looks like we're just retracing into this 4 hour gap. And I want it to hit up here. I want it to hit up here sometime. This would be a good retracement, equilibrium 4 hour gap, and then we can start heading back down. That's what I want to see. But yeah, so my bias was bearish because bearish news, and I thought we were gonna continue towards equilibrium. And then along with that is we came all the way down here, and we kind of just left this low hanging. So I thought we would maybe retrace, and then that would be our trade, and that's kind of what happened. We retraced into this gap, and then I waited for this break of structure, and I entered shorts off that TP at this low that we left hanging. And as you can see, we just did not want to do that at all. Um, we just wanted to keep going up. Came down, retraced off this FEG, and went up. And I was just so tunnel visioned. I didn't even look at ES at all. I'm gonna be honest. I did not even look at ES because I was in the car and I was just too distracted. I shouldn't have traded today. But I mean, on ES, let's see, where were we? On ES, we made this SMT. We already took out this low, and I know it looks like we broke past on the 5 minute, but it's a 4 hour low. So I would still consider that, it can still take it out in reverse potentially. And yeah, it's kind of what we did. And ES was actually a lot lower. So, once I see NQ start heading up, to take out, these highs up here, I could have entered longs on ES as, it's also the lagging index. Could have waited for this retracement into this gap right here. And then I probably would have entered off that like nice little rejection right here. Stops below the gap, and then TP, final TP at this draw on liquidity, and then first TP at this draw. Set stops to break even, and we would have hit both TPs. That's like 20 points, which is actually really good. So we would only need to use one contract on that, for sure. And is that okay? That would be kind of a big, like 350 loss. But yeah. So I definitely should have went longs on ES. That was definitely the play. I just didn't even consider ES at all, which was completely my fault. I just should not have traded because I was in the car, I was distracted, whatever. Um, but yeah, I not much else to say other than I thought this would come down, take out that low. We got bearish news. Another reason that I should have been bullish, I guess, is because we did take out this low there. So that could have been like that would have been the sweep for NQ, and the sweep for ES would have been these lows. And then we just head up. I'm trying to think like. And then, but just like the other problem I had was we weren't quite in equilibrium yet, and I really thought we would come down here like immediately, especially after we just started dumping. off market open. But I also, could have considered, we just took out this 4 hour low and this 4 hour low right here. And I could have been like, okay, we're probably, that's our sweep. We might head up, and looks like we might have, like a retracement here. So yeah, I should have just, first of all, should just not have traded, but I also should have looked at ES, and we should have been less tunnel visioned, with those options and whatever. But bro, there's a problem. So on NQ, I was on the regular and I didn't know I was. So as you can see, I did like these random trades here, and I got so lucky that I made any money. But we did make money. So we're up today actually. Even though we lost two trades, we were up 600. Now we're only up 300, but I'll take it. I'm so lucky. I had a bro, I don't even know what to say about this. I didn't realize till I was on regular until this, and I was like, wait, I'm on the regular. I need to close immediately. So I closed my trade immediately, and yeah, not much to say other than that was so dumb. I'm really really lucky. We got any money at all. And the reason why I got stopped out is because I what's it called? I don't even know what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, I had such a short stop loss. Or wait, such a short TP. Yeah, I mean look, 15-15, and then sell was, yeah. I don't know, bro. That was really bad on my part. We really got a lot. I just, like I said, I wasn't focused. I was on my phone, not my laptop, so it was really a lot harder to be locked in, while I'm at school and whatnot. But yeah, that was the first trade. And the second trade was honestly pretty buns. I should just not have traded. As you can see, we're like 18 minutes past the macro. I should have been like, okay. Actually, bro, I wanted to see this get hit, and then I wanted to see a reversal off of this zone right here, and we never got hit, but we did hit this imbalance, and I was thinking of entering off this BOS, but I didn't like how he took so long to BOS, and the fact that we're kind of just leaving this BPR up here hanging with like this kind of really low draw on liquidity, but still liquidity. I didn't like how we just left that hanging, so I waited, and we did come down, and I probably would have taken something off that BOS and then TP1 like at this 5 minute gap, so we would have hit TP1, but we would not have hit TP2. Yeah, we definitely would have got stopped out at break even. But I mean, I think we might come down right now, but it's whatever. I mean, it's first of all, it's a post market, so definitely not gonna trade at all, obviously. But yeah, I should have just realized like, yo, past the macro, price action was pretty bad anyways, and we kind of missed our opportunity off of this, boom, this big move down. That was the play. And then I kind of just entered off this retracement BOS here on the 1 minute. Nothing else to that really. I don't think we were like in equilibrium or anything. Actually, we were. What do you know? But that was a bad trade. Should have just not traded there. There was no really good trade to take here other than this move down. That was the only good trade. I wouldn't say longs would have been good at all here. I mean, as you can see, we reacted off this 1 minute gap, but like, there's nothing really higher time frame, nothing on the 15 minute there. Other than, I mean, we're in this 15 minute gap, but like, it's not like we're in equilibrium. I thought we would come down to this equilibrium. We might be doing that now and hit this gap. That's what I wanted the zone to get hit, and I was hoping to maybe longs off that, but it's fine. We're up 300. Lucky day, bro. We're up 1.2k on the account. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I make any trades, and then we'll just try to be more locked in. I mean, I'll be on my laptop, so we should be chill. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.